Wellington's biggest insurance provider says it is rejecting more applications than it accepts in the capital, but insists it does not have a blanket policy to say no to new home and contents customers. IAG, which covers more than half of the Wellington market, says it's been taking a conservative approach since the Kaikoura earthquake, but over the past couple of weeks has changed its policy to prioritise existing customers over new ones. IAG's spokesman Kevin Hughes fronted media today to explain that meant more new customers were being denied than accepted, but applications were being dealt with on a case-by-case basis.
Previously we were focused on supporting where we had the house risk. To make sure we were supporting the house, we've changed that to support the customer. So wherever the IAG loyal customers are going or moving to, we're making sure we're providing insurance to them as a priority. We're still available for non-customers if the circumstances are appropriate.
Mr Hughes wasn't able to say how many applications were being accepted versus those that are rejected, but he says the restrictions are limited to Wellington for now.
There's parts of the greater Wellington area that this also applies to, but it's primarily a Wellington issue.
And should other parts of the country be nervous if if it is about limiting the risk, flood-prone Dunedin, coastal erosion in other parts of the country? Is this a trend that we're going to see more of?
We will definitely see more trends of us understanding the risks that apply in certain places, and we certainly know what's developing as far as climate change and coastal erosion. That will also always play a part on whether we think there's a risk there.
Kevin Hughes says IAG does still plan to grow its customer base overall in New Zealand, but only in certain areas.